Someone is asking, how do you manage inventory across multiple countries when lead times keep changing? That's an interesting one. Anybody has experience with that? Yeah, Federico, yeah. Go ahead, yeah.
Yeah, let me contextualize. I manage a multi-country supply chain. We sell all over Europe and big chunk of Middle East and Africa, and most of my sourcing is in the Far East, China specifically. So I need to deal daily with changing lead time and variable lead time as well. Um, our approach is actually twofold. One is we have clear option, decision making option that we can do. So can we move inventory from country A or country B in a economic sensitive view? And you cope this one with kind of daily reaction. We look at what's happening now in every single day, and we decide which option to take and which option we can't simply not activate.
Okay. Yeah, Michael, yeah.
Yeah, I would agree with a daily view. I think one of the biggest customer responses we've ever had is when we deployed Fling 6.0, which had live data feeds. So it's amazing how much of a difference. You'd think it wouldn't. I mean, the data is very similar, but when it's as close to live as possible, when the data is as close to real time as possible, it becomes much more actionable and immediately usable. Whereas if the data is even a little bit stale, it's harder to know what to do with that. And certainly, if we're talking about inventory across multiple countries, where you may have never visited that facility, or you have less visibility into there, having that kind of accountability and information right there, if you're managing stock levels or where you're going to put things, or you're making decisions, having that information, I think, is really, really important.